Hey guys, what's going on? Adrian here with McKaig Chevrolet Buick in Gladwater, Texas, and I wanted to show you some of the cool features on this 19 Tahoe. It has to do with the winter time because heated seats. Heated seats is real simple. Every car, nowadays most of the cars have them. This one has to have the back and bottom. So regardless of which side you want, you have temperature. You have your high, you have your medium, you have your low, and off. Same thing with the passenger side, and also you have it on the very back. Look at that. That is awesome, ain't it? Now, one more thing. This one happens to have a heated steering wheel, right? So give it about maybe a minute or 45 seconds. The steering wheel would actually start getting hot. So you don't have to wear your gloves no more. You can just turn it on and drive off. Guys, if you have questions about this vehicle, any other vehicle, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do more videos like this one. My number is 903-746-4630. Y'all have a blessed day today.